Decoding the Unknown, using context clues. Hey learners! Welcome back to our series on ACT test strategies. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful tools you have when faced with tricky words or phrases, using context clues. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at deciphering unfamiliar terms just by looking at the words around them. Let's get started. Context clues are hints that an author provides within a sentence or paragraph to help readers understand unfamiliar words. Instead of getting stuck on a word you don't know, you can use the other words around it to make an educated guess. This skill isn't just crucial for the ACT, but it's also invaluable for everyday reading and comprehension. There are different ways an author might provide hints. Let's look at the most common ones. 1. Definition clue. The meaning of the word is directly provided in the sentence. 2. Example. The scribe, a person who writes things down, quickly jotted the message. 3. Synonym clue. Another word with the same meaning is used close by. 4. Example. She felt melancholy, or sad, after watching the movie. 5. Antonym clue. A word with the opposite meaning is used. 6. Example. Unlike Jenny's gentle approach, Mark was always brusque and direct. 7. Example clue. Examples are provided to give hints about the word. 8. Example. There are many large mammals, like whales, elephants, and rhinos. 9. Inference clue. The sentence doesn't give a direct synonym or definition, but it offers enough hints to guess the word's meaning. 10. Example. The water was so tepid that it neither burned my tongue nor felt cool. 1. Don't panic. If you see an unfamiliar word, stay calm. You have the tools to decode it. 2. Look around. Examine the surrounding words and sentences. What hints can they offer? 3. Eliminate answer choices. Sometimes, multiple choice options can provide clues. Eliminate the options that don't fit with the context. 4. Trust your instincts. Often, your first educated guess is correct. Trust yourself and your ability to use context. And that wraps up our deep dive into context clues. Remember, the ACT is not just testing your vocabulary but also your ability to think critically and strategically. Using context clues will not only boost your ACT score but also enhance your everyday reading skills. We hope you found this video useful, and as always, happy studying!